In this video, let me show you how to activate Hyundai High Beam Assist in Hyundai i30. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Select here the setup button. From the setup, let's select here the vehicle, so the first icon with the car. Then let's use the left bar and select here the light. Under light, you've got High Beam Assist, and you can enable or disable this feature just by using this checkbox. So what it does, it uses the front camera to automatically toggle high beams on dark stretches on highways and safely drops to low beams the split second it spots the taillights on oncoming traffic. So it's quite useful. It will assist you reducing the high beam glare. So let me leave it enabled. And I think that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave a thumbs up.